self-aware through sands of time, behold the meaning of being. Somehow, Eon is just a legendary opening. From mountains comes the stone, torn, squeezed, cleaved, cracked, the rustic elegance of great nature, incubated and burgeoning from hither. Far away from mountains, from mining to beginning, render raw stone, clear edges, fine, selective, natural endowment, unveiling the stone's legendary journey. Design. Hunches from designers. Contour the raw with fantastic shapes. Disc saw. Alter angles. Move ridges. Refresh self-recognition. Roaring machine salutes the past. Bridge saw. Line in formation as a parade of finely clad infantry, only with seamless details, can forge unbeatable quality. Control center. Polishing. Sanding off the aging roughness. Let the color unfold itself. Carving. Something inside, albeit perceivable, yet still untouchable, only by intimate observation. Tracing vein, carving, and chiseling will time's odor be presented in excess. Imbued with the craftsman's soul, draining his efforts. Wet polishing. Each sheet contains a legend of itself, commemorating the progressive road walked by Wanli Stone. Thyself, thy simplicity. Fulfill this colorful world. Pile up canvases of brilliant beauty. Or record a storyline until eternity. Quality control. Fail not the stone's radiance. Fail not eons waiting. For another chance, for that beautifully crafted future. Legend is reborn from the first raw, traversing thousands of miles, only for the inner wonderland. Refined choice, meticulous polishing, dedicated design, heartfelt crafting. Fulfill architectural eternity. Building a wonderful world, piece by piece. Legendary quality creates legends.